Hi there! In this video, we'll be unboxing the Redtiger 4K dash camera, specifically the F7NP model. It features a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. Opening it up, right on top, we have a diagram that shows you all the parts of the main unit. Below that, we have three boxes to get into. I'm honestly really impressed by how organized and well packaged everything is. At the bottom, we have the GPS unit, which doubles as the suction cup mount. And right next to it is the main camera unit. Okay, let's go over this flat box first. Inside, we get two adhesive pads for suction cup mount, about four electrostatic stickers, a support card, a quick start guide, and the full user manual. I highly recommend reading the manual before installing. It's incredibly well done and in full color. Next, let's check out the second box. In here, we have the power supply. This plugs right into your cigarette lighter to power the camera. It also features a built-in USB port for charging your phone, and the end that plugs into the dash cam is a right-angled USB Type-C port. This cable is very long, so I'm confident it'll easily reach in any vehicle. Also included are these cable clips. Sometimes you can't tuck all the wires away, so you'll need to use these to keep things tidy. Lastly, there's this trim tool to help you tuck the cables into the panels and run your wires neatly. Now, in this box is the 1080p rear camera module. This mounts with double-sided tape and comes with a very long cable that plugs directly into the main unit. Conveniently, the camera can be detached from the cable, which makes running the wire to the back of your car much easier. Moving on to the main camera unit itself. We have a screen on the back and some navigation buttons on the side. On the top, you'll find the AV in port where the rear camera plugs in, and the middle slot is where you slide the GPS suction cup mount, and the right USB-C port is for power. Then on the left side, we have the power button and the micro SD card slot. I actually bought the package that includes the 128GB memory card. Here is the GPS suction cup unit. It's great that it doubles as the GPS receiver, so we don't have to run a separate antenna cable. The suction cup looks really well designed. You just twist it to lock it in place, and it releases easily. Remember those extra adhesive pads from earlier? Those are optional, but great for hot climate, where the standard suction cup might fail. I'm really glad they thought of everything and gave us options. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!